Hi Jose, after watching your video, I think it's really great that you did set extra goals for yourself, such as getting your assignments done all by Friday so that you can relax and worry about you and your own mental health. I think that's a really good idea. My addiction that I gave up was pop, so it's a little bit different, but I also just try and get all of my stuff done so that I can relax over the weekends and have me time. So I think that's a really good thing that you're doing. Um, your support system, it sounds like you have a lot of support from like your family and everything, but since you are giving up like being on your phone, sometimes that can um, get in the way of you contacting like your family and everything and all of your different family members that you have. So I really hope that that's not getting in your way, and I hope that you are still staying in contact with all of your family members and everything. So yeah, I wish you the best in luck and like continuing this journey of giving up some screen time to focus on assignments and homework. I guess that's the same, but you know what I mean. Um, and just like getting the things that you need done and putting your phone kind of to the side and worrying about that second. So keep up the good work.